Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.5 question number 2. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. Let us find by using identity. Number 1 is 103 into 107. It can be written in this way that 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. Right? We can use this identity that x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Use this identity here. That means we are getting 100 square plus a plus b plus a plus b, that is 3 plus 7, 3 a plus 3 plus 7 into x is 100 plus ab, that is 3 into 7. Here we have taken x is equal to 100, a is equal to 3, b equal to 7. Therefore we are getting 100 x square, 100 square plus a plus b, 3 plus 7, x is 100 plus ab, 3 into b. We are getting 100 square is 1, 1 0 2 0 3 4 zeros plus 3 7 is 23 plus 7 is 10 into 100, 10 into 100 plus 3 7 is 21. That means we are getting 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 21, or we will get the value as we add this one, we are getting 11,021. This is the answer of question number 1. 11,021. Then we solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is, question number 2 is 95 into 96. It can be written as 95 into 96 can be written as 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. Here you have taken x as 100. The same identity that x plus a into x plus b, x square plus a plus b x plus ab. A is equal to minus 5, b is equal to minus 4. Then we are getting x square, that is 100 square plus a plus bx plus a plus bx, that is minus 5, that is minus 5 minus 5 minus 4, x is 100 plus ab minus 5 into minus 4. Now we are getting 1 1 2 340 minus 5 minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9 into 100, that is minus 900 minus 900 minus into minus is plus 5 4 20, right? That means we are getting 10,020 minus 900. You subtract this one 1 0 0 2 0 minus 900 minus 900, we are getting 0 2 9 1 10 carry 1 9 1 2 0, that is we are getting 9 1 2 0. This is the answer of question number 2. Now we'll solve question number 3. We'll solve question number 3. Let's solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is 104 into 96. 104 into 96. Now let us solve question number 3. Question number 3 is 104 into 96. This can be written as 100 plus 4, 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4. That means we are getting 100 square minus 4 square. We are using the identity here that x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square is equal to x square minus y square. That is 100 square 1 40 1 2 3 4 minus 4 4 is 16 minus 4 4 is 16. If you subtract this 1 0 0 0 0, subtracting 16 we are getting 16 subtract 6 4 carry 1 1 and 2 8 carry 1 9 carry 1 9 9984. The answer is 9984 9984. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.